give me that. I'm ready.
Thank you for driving, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the rest of your day at the Moomba Festival.
Completely stopped and the door fully open. Please watch your step and use the hand rail when you accept the ride.
height of it. And a front side on the flat ledge as well. Teresa is giving this a hot go. Alright. Where's the other hot shot memory? Where you at? You didn't know what to do and you accidentally did better than a bunch of your friends. Alright, let's see what's next. Alright, Amy and Chloe, side by side. It's a race, it's like a flying V. Oh, clearing the ski jump is Teresa, and it's another memory right behind, almost clearing that knuckle on the pyramid box. Alright, oh, going down on the slidey curb is Lemery, but straight up.
It's going nearly upside down.
We'll have 3 minutes to go. There's lots of time. Alright, we're going to jumping off the spider.
Well, he'll be shaking out those cobwebs, getting ready for this pass number 2. That is coming up next here, folks. Melbourne on the G23 in our Junior Pro Men's semi-finals. Well, we've got a huge junior competition here in our 2025 Moomba Masters. Of course, not only tonight's action with the Junior Pro Men's semi-finals, but tomorrow morning we've got the Junior Pro Women's semi-finals and the finals happening here tomorrow morning. So it is going to be a very, very big start to the wakeboarding action over the next couple of days. And then over Saturday, Sunday and Monday, we do have our pro division competing here on the Yarra River. But have a look to the water here, folks. There it is. There's that 540. Noah Piastri coming out of the blocks and coming out swinging. That 540 there, the toe side. Roll to Reaper there. So going up and over with the front side